Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit Hardshake in CapCut. So let's get started. First, open CapCut and ensure all your clips are ready and synced to the beat of the song. Start with the first clip. First, let's apply the flicker effect and set some keyframes. Go to Effects, search for Black Flash number 2. Click on Adjust and set both the intensity and speed to 20 or higher if you prefer. Next, add keyframes at the beginning and end of the clip. At the end keyframe, zoom in slightly. Click on Graph and select Ease Out to. Now, for the shake effect, go to Animations, click on In and select Swing Top Left. Setting it around 0.3. For the out animation, select Fade Out and set it around 0.3. Now, open Effects and select Shake. Place the shake at the beginning of the clip with the length at the minimum. Then add another shake effect for the entire length of the clip. Then, click on Adjust and set the speed and intensity to 7. Duplicate this shake effect so you have 2 of them. To add blur, go to Effects, select Oblique Blur. Set the length to the minimum and adjust the blur to around 75. Duplicate this oblique effect twice, so you have 3 of them. Then add another oblique blur effect. Adjust the blur to 50 and copy it once. Finally, add one last oblique blur effect and set the blur to 25. Next, add a popular white flash at the beginning of each clip. Go to Overlay, add a white overlay, click on Blend and select Overlay. Set the animation to Fade Out at the maximum. After putting all the effects, review your edit. Now, copy and paste these effects into each of your clips. Once everything is set, export your project. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.